Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Boat Aavante Bar 1190. This is the model number 1190 of the Aavante Bar series. This is a famous series from a series of soundbars from Boat. There is not much information on this box at least, so I'm going to open it and show you the contents inside. So you have a second box inside. I'm going to take it out. This box seems to have a little more information. This is a 2.2 channel soundbar. Multiple connectivity modes such as USB, Bluetooth, aux, coaxial, etc. Also HDMI ARC, which is great. There is a 9-watt R.M.S. boat signature sound with built-in active subwoofers, easy access integrated soundbar controls, master remote control, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0 along with exquisite design and premium finish. Now let's open this box and show you what the soundbar looks like. There you can see this is what the soundbar looks like. It's a nice premium and very sleek design. There's also this packet that has a lot of things in it. I will show you what the stuff are. So these are the various elements inside. Okay, so let's take a look at each of these things. This is a user manual for the Aavante Boat 1190. You should read it at least once. Next up we have this. It is a product information brochure, and this is a 1-year warranty card from Boat. There you can see that this is the power cable for this particular soundbar, and we have a aux-in cable as well. These are basically wall mounts for when you want to mount this particular soundbar to a wall. And these are the screws for the same wall mount. There you can see a packet of screws. And finally we have this remote control to control this, basically to remotely control this particular soundbar. There, this is what the remote control looks like. There you can see there's a remote control from Boat. This runs on 2 AAA batteries. Unfortunately the batteries are not provided. Now let's take a look at the soundbar itself. So this is what the soundbar looks like. This is basically the front side. I will give you a closer look. There you can see the Boat logo. There's a nice mesh design at the front. There are 2 anti-skid rubber stops underneath as well. So you will have a very stable structure when you place it like this. You know, this is not gonna move anywhere. It's not gonna go anywhere anytime soon. There are these 2 speakers on the top as well. Overall, this has this very thin rectangular shape, but it has a very elegant design. At the back, we have a couple of ports. Let me show them to you. There you can see there is an HDMI port, an USB-A slot, an aux-in port, and a coaxial port as well. And this is your power on-off button and the power port right over here, the power cable port right over here. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Boat Aavante Bar 1190. Thank you for watching.